Hello, my name's Dave. I'm with the Rigol team at Telonic Instruments Limited here in Berkshire in the UK. I'm just going to tell you what's in the box with this new DM3068 Rigol multimeter. This is an excellent 6.5 digit multimeter. I just want to show you what you get as standard with this unit so that you know what comes in the box. So we have a nice firmly boxed unit here. Inside is a secondary box with all the accessories in it. Nice polystyrene wrapped instrument. That's the multimeter main unit. As you can see, lots of Ethernet and control and IEEE 488 options on the back. HPIB options on the back. Inside the accessory container, set of test leads, European mains cable, UK mains cable, correctly fused. We provide a USB lead which we add into the packet. Also, with your unit, you'll receive a Telonic Instruments Limited pre-delivery inspection report. We do a full UK safety check. The instrument is labelled. We do a function check, and very importantly, we do our firm test service. And firm test ensures that the firmware that's running on your instrument is the latest we offer for that model. Make sure you get all the up-to-date patches and functions in that instrument. In addition, you'll get our Telonic return to Berkshire warranty for any Rigol approved warranty issues anytime in your first 12 months.